Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to download TikTok application on your smartphone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To download TikTok application on your smartphone, you can either go to your Play Store for your Android or your App Store for your iOS, or you can simply go to any web browser and search for TikTok in the search box. Now, under apps, you'll be able to see the TikTok application displayed. Tap it on, which will open up your Play Store. Now simply tap on the install button and download the application on your device. You can also simply visit your Play Store and search for TikTok in the search box like this. And once you search for the application will be displayed on your screen and you can download the application on your device. Wait until the download is done. After the download is finished, wait for it to install on your device. Once the application is downloaded and installed on your device, you'll be able to see the open button popping out from this page. You can tap on the open button to run the application, or you can also find the application in your app drawer. Tap the application open and now sign up to a new account if you don't have one, or simply log into an existing account. To be able to log into an existing account, you'll need to go and tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on sign up. Sign up for a TikTok account by using these options displayed on the screen if you don't have an account yet. If you do, you can simply tap the login button at the bottom of the screen. Now, you can either use your phone, email, or your username option, your Facebook account, Google account, Twitter account, and even continue with Instagram in order to sign into your account. That is how you can easily download TikTok application on your device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.